In tonight's Big Story Breakdown, we're looking into daycare subsidies. The Legislative Office of Fiscal Transparency was at the state capitol today looking for government waste.
The Oversight Committee also voted on a future evaluation of how child care providers receive subsidies. Fox 25's Rob Hagan live at the Capitol with more. Rob.
Adam, Wendy, we've been reporting for months on the millions in cuts to subsidies, creating a child care crisis. Now state lawmakers are checking to see if some child care providers are cheating the taxpayers.
Chairman Caldwell.
Aye.
State lawmakers unanimously approved a rapid response evaluation by the Legislative Office of Fiscal Transparency looking into the DHS's verification and reimbursement process to providers receiving child care subsidies.
One of the issues that we've had brought to our attention is that there are some alleged improprieties when it comes to maybe how that process is being handled.
Social service programs have been a hot button issue after the massive billion-dollar fraud scandal states away.
I don't think anyone in here wants a scenario or situation where we saw the fraud and waste that we saw in Minnesota.
The vote came at the end of a 2-hour meeting over office space waste with the Loft Oversight Committee.
I think the legislature is just being proactive here to see if our controls in our state are good. No one's making an allegation of fraud, and we are not fraud investigators, but what we are looking at is, do we have proper controls in place to prevent those things from happening?
The cuts to subsidies and tighter eligibility rules have created a child care crisis after the closure of 427 child care centers statewide from November last year to January, according to the Licensed Child Care Association of Oklahoma.
School-age children are at risk if they are not in child care.
Child care centers like Angel Academy report 98% of the children are subsidy kids. Now staff-to-child ratios are mandated, subsidies are based on attendance over enrollment, and the DHS budget request for subsidies dropped from $57 million down to $7.5 million.
We seem to make a priority for certain kinds of funding, but child care has not been the priority it needs to be, and we have stretched that system as far as we can, and I think it's going to start to affect people's ability to work.
Now, Loft Director Burcham says the project was just approved, so there is no current date set to discuss the evaluation of the subsidy process. But rest assured, once that happens, Fox 25 News will be there. Until then, live at the state capitol, Rob Hagan, we got your back.